Hey everybody, we're back with our project we got going here, and this is our plumbing, hot and cold water for the bathroom, from the bathroom to our utility room, as you can see in this plan view drawing over here. So now what we're going to do, we're going to do our drainage. So now what has to happen, we have to place a drain here, and then you got to play around with the view depths in order to make this visual. So what I did here in my so I can show it over here, my view range, I set the bottom to unlimited so I can see down there what's going on. Otherwise you can't see that, so cancel out of that. So now what we want to do now is we want to create our sanitary drainage for our, our drainage basically. So what happens is, the first thing we would like to do, we would want to go into our Analyze tab, and we want to show disconnects. And we'll show disconnect for pipe, and we'll say OK. Let's try that again. Pipe. Okay, well, I don't know why they're not displaying. They normally would display, but anyway, what happens here next? You want to go into the we want to change this to wireframe as well, so we can see what's going on here. I want to try this, show disconnects again, but it won't. So disconnects option. Okay, well, it's on. Say it is on. Okay, now I want to go into my mechanical settings under System tab. Just here, and I want to change this pipe to PVC, and I want this to be a -1. I want it to be a -1 because we're going down below, at least past the Georgia. So I have a depth you want. I'm going to go here, another -1. And this is our conversion. So you want to have that highlighted. And then up here, system classification, we want to say sanitary. And then we'll say OK. So now the way this works, basically it's pretty simple and straightforward, just like we did the other system. So how I'm going to do this, I'm going to go and I'm going to select, let's just select the floor drain here, and I'm going to hit piping, and that's what I want. It's a sanitary, and then I want to edit this system, and then I want to add to the system this, and this. And I want to finish. And now there my disconnects finally showing. And what happens here, I want to select this, I want to go back, and I want to generate some layouts. And something's wrong there because that's going way up there. Let me see what happened there. That's not correct. So we gotta, I want to leave this, so let me just see what else they got in here. Okay, so we got a problem with our level, so I'm going to cancel this. And there are my disconnects now showing, which is good. So now I'm going to do this again. So I'm going to, no, we need to check our mechanical settings because I think that's where we had the problem. Okay, there's the problem. Yep. So we go -1 here, -1 here, and we'll go OK. Now let's run our system again. Let's try this again. Select this. Generate these layouts. Now that's a little better. Don't know about that one. Let's check. We'll see what else. So right here you can select. We got 4 options. Well, many more than that. That might be the way to go. Kind of wonder what's going with that blue pipe. There's another one. So now that's perimeter. Now here we can go down and we can select intersections, and that would be, I think, see, that might be the best route for us here. Let's finish this. See what we got. Okay, I think that might be the best route. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys how to do a sanitary system in Revit. So we've got our hot and cold water here, and we've got our sanitary system. So hey guys, thanks for watching this quick video. Please subscribe. It helps me make videos like this. And see you in the next video. Everybody be safe and bye.